So I took off the lid and two sides of the pentashield to get back into this corner. They had me confirm that the screws down there were tight along the Z-axis screw. But while I was in there, I noticed that the guiding rod is very loose. And that may be what was causing the grinding sound. And it's loose on this back left side too. However, they are absolutely solid on the front, tops and bottom. Same thing up here. So it looks like there is a bracket that is screwed from the bottom for that guiding rod. The question is, how do I get to it down there?